What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the old Farts Garage. Sorry for all the noise in the background. I'm sitting inside the 63 and I just wanted to show you guys that we have the back window in. And sorry for not having a video for the installation, because for the last 2 days my friend Jake and I, thank you Jake, appreciate all your help. If it wasn't for you, we don't know, we'd probably still be fighting it. We both learned how to do window, at least the back window. We tried the front window, but unfortunately we did not get it, but we're not giving up yet. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update that we've got the back window finally back in the truck. It's starting to look like a truck, you know, and I still got to continue to wet sand the clear and buff it out and all that. I'll have some video of that later, but you know, it's been a struggle. We've never done this before, and now we know, you know, the pros and cons and how to go about it and everything. But yeah, I wanted to get the windows on because I'm done with the inside, so I can go ahead and start putting parts in, starting, like I said, with the windows, and then I got to get the gas tank, and well, actually first the soundproofing material on the floor, then put the gas tank in. But anyways, yeah, just unfortunately the only video that I do have for you guys, because we were getting pretty frustrated and all that and everything, so I didn't even bother to have the camera on. And the only really thing I got camera video on is me putting in the locking seal that goes inside the regular. You got this rubber seal right here, but then you got another one that for the older vehicles that goes inside of this to lock the window from the outside, and it locks it all in there nice and tight. And that's the only video I kind of got for you. It's not a whole lot of anything really, and but it was easier to just go ahead and let you guys know what's going on. Yeah, so anyways, just want to thank everybody for subscribing and following my channel and putting up with my BS and all that. But like I said, we finally got window in the back. Looks good and everything. It's nice and clean now, and it makes the truck's coming along. It makes it starting to look like a real truck again. And the wind keeps blowing, of course, and the neighbor's gate keeps opening in, you know. Anyways, so the truck's coming along, starting to put pieces back on and everything, and it's starting to look like a real truck now. But again, like I said, we're still gonna try to get that front window in. I don't know how or when, but we'll get it in there. And like I said, appreciate everybody following and subscribing, and I know it's not the greatest content in the world, but it's for fun. You know, I'm not really a professional or nothing. I'm just doing what I want to do as a retired guy, and this is what I want to do, just clean up a daily driver. It's not even a full restoration, it's just cleaning up a truck to make it look nice when I drive it to the grocery store or to the lumber yard or whatever. So anyways, thanks for following me, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that good stuff and everything, and we'll try to get better content for you, and appreciate you guys. Y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Have a great weekend coming up, and God bless.